Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from PBL if 18. Today we are gonna presentation our project Parkwell Data Driven Smart Parking System powered by IoT and Big Data Analytics. With project manager is Miss Satika and project proponent is Miss Minatul Husna Mufida. Next, for our team project, we have Tarik Ziad, Adrian Zahran, M. Hazik Afif Hidayat, and Arwindo. Okay, for team contribution, Tarik Ziad have contributed system modeling with output is UML diagram, and Adrian Zahran has contributed designing a database with output is class diagram, area diagram, and relational. And for Hazik have contributed designing interface design with output is mockup, and Arwindo contributed creating documentation with output is RPP and ATS report. Okay, next for our logbook, we have successful with overall progress is 50%. And here's our Gantt chart team. Next will be presented by Arwindo.
Okay, next one is project description. What is Waterpark? Waterpark is stand for is our name, Window, Hazik, Ardian, Tarich, the park app. Okay, so Waterpark is a responsive web-based system developed using Internet of Things technology, designed to improve parking management and enhance the user experience. The main feature of this application is the ability to make real-time parking reservation at Batam State Polytechnic. This feature allow user to avoid searching for parking space and make it possible to make reservation using personal device. And it is hoped that this application will provide an efficient monitor parking service. Okay, next one is general overview. So the application will have two user and admin. First one is user can make reservation, and admin can manage parking data, slot, and view parking related statistic report. As for how the system work, is parking slot use ultrasonic HCCR04 sensor to detect vehicle in available reservation slot. The sensor connect to Raspberry Pi receiver transmitter, which function as a broker and connect to a non-FCU ESP32 to store data. Then the data is then connected to the user device via the internet. Okay, next is the functional and non-functional requirement. There is 10 functional requirement. First one is user can register, login, logout, view real-time availability of parking slot, and reserve a parking slot for a certain time, and can change user profile. Also, admin can login, logout, monitor parking slot status in real time, and can manage parking data. Okay, next one is non-functional requirement. We have 5 non-functional: reliability, security, performance, scalability, and usability.
Next is use case diagram, where user can log in, registration, log out, and see available parking slot, reserve parking slot, and change profile. In admin, admin can see the data of the parking. Next is activity diagram. In the left is the diagram of reserving a parking slot, and in the right is viewing parking slot availability. Next is mockup. Our web is responsive, so it can be seen on desktop and mobile.
So this is a mockup design. As you can see, there is a register page, login page, dashboard page, and then reserve page and reserve detail page. Next is this is account page. there is account page, and then reserve page, and then user guide page. So our challenge is communications. Scheduling meetings with the client projects managers and team members proved to be difficult due to their various commitments, such as traveling out of town or attending overseas meeting. Learning curve. The projects began entirely from scratch and involved new, unfamiliar technologies in both of web developments and IoT hardware assembly. This required a considerable amount of time and effort for adaptation and learning. So our next plan is we will continue with the front end, back end, and database implementation based on what our team has planned and designed. We will also integrate the application with IoT sensors and test the application to ensure it runs as expected.
So that's all from our presentation. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.